So you're attending a special event soon, whether that is a concert, a baby shower, even brunch with friends. All those to me are special events, and you're unsure what to wear. After this video, you're going to know exactly what to wear, or at least you won't be so clueless, because in this video, I'm sharing with you some things you should think about and ask yourself when you're trying to figure out what to wear to a special event or special occasion. But before we get into it, hello, my name is Breonna Queen. I'm an image consultant as well as an award-winning beauty blogger, and I help women just like you look and feel more put together with minimum time, effort, money, and energy. So if that's your kind of thing, go ahead and subscribe to the family. Let's go ahead and get into what to do when you're unsure of what to wear to a special event, special occasion, or you're just going outside. So number one, you have to know exactly what type of event you are attending. Obviously, not all events are created equal. Going to brunch with your bestie is going to be a lot different than going to a wedding or going to a formal company event. So what kind of event are you going to? First, ask yourself that. Is it casual? Is it semi-casual? Is it formal? Understanding the type of event you're going to and the type of vibe that event's going to have is going to help you tremendously when it comes to what to wear. Even certain concerts, right? Like what you wear to a reggae concert may be completely different than what you may wear to a classical concert or orchestra concert. So just really asking yourself, what type of event is this? Is it formal, semi-formal, casual? What is the vibe? Also, I find a lot of times it's so much easier to figure out what to wear if you know the dress code. Like, is there a dress code? Is there a theme? And then if you're still unsure, like who's gonna be there? Is it an event where it's mostly your friends? Is it an event where it's like a date night? Is it your colleagues? You know, are you a lawyer? You're gonna be working with some of your clients. Like, what is going to be the vibe there and what type of event will it be? They can help you eliminate outfit ideas, because you can say, okay, if it's gonna be a formal event, I know I cannot wear these jeans. I know I cannot wear this distressed t-shirt. So it helps you to kind of eliminate certain things. And also think about, okay, what can I wear? What is the most appropriate for me to wear to this formal event? Even a concert. If you're attending a concert, what is the best outfit for you to wear for this concert? When you match your look to the occasion, you just feel more confident, you feel more comfortable, and obviously your outfit just feels more put together. Tip number two is, what is the location and the setting? I think this is very, very important. Is it outdoor rooftop? Is it a grassy backyard? Or a ballroom where the AC is going to be on blast? Like, what is going to be the settings for this event? Personally, I think the wear is extremely important when it comes to finding out what you're going to wear. Because one, like, what's it going to be? It's going to be outside. Is it going to be indoors? Is it going to be standing room? Are you going to be able to sit down? Is it grass, gravel, concrete? That right there is going to help you determine if you should wear heels or not. If you're going to be standing in grass all day, stilettos may not be the best idea. If you're going to be standing on concrete all day, wedges may not be the best idea. So just really thinking about, okay, what is going to be the setting of this event? Will it be hot? Will it be cold? Will it be humid? Even if you're indoors, if you know the place you're going to, they blast the AC, it may make more sense to have a jacket or have a shawl or something, so that if you're cold, you can obviously cover up. If you're going to the movies are, you know, known for being cold. So being able to have a jacket or have a sweater, so it allows you to decide, okay, what am I going to wear based on how am I going to feel? Which leads me into number three, which is, what's the weather? What's the season? There have been so many times where I bought outfits for a vacation or a trip and I forgot to check the weather. So I went there and I was like shocked that maybe it was cold and I had packed all these shorts, or maybe it was super hot and I packed, like, you know, more thicker fabric. So definitely look at the weather the day of, or at least the day before, so that you are dressed for the weather. There's nothing worse personally than being freezing cold at an event. You can't even be yourself. You can't be comfortable. You can't dance if dancing is what you're gonna do. You can't really just be your normal comfortable self if you're freezing, you're shivering, you have goosebumps. So think about the weather, think about the season that you're in. If you're going to a concert and it's the winter time, well then obviously a skirt may not be the best bet if the concert's going to be outdoors. Even with me living in Florida, you know, it's naturally always hot, but sometimes it's not hot. So I still want to check the weather to make sure, instead of a mini skirt, maybe I need to wear a maxi skirt. Instead of a short sleeve, I need to wear a long sleeve. So just thinking about what's the season and what's the weather, and they can also help you in determining your outfit. Number four, you want to match the vibe. What's the vibe that you want to do? So for me, I like to dress with a theme, right? So like for Valentine's Day dinner, I may wear red or pink because I know it's like kind of romantic. For a baby shower, if I know they're having a boy, I might want to wear blue. Obviously, I don't have to, but these are some things that I like to do just to give myself a theme based on the vibe of the event that I am attending. Is the event fun and flirty? Is it going to be elegant and sophisticated? Is it going to be casual and fun? Like, what's going to be the vibe of this event? I think that you absolutely can match energy. And to me, when you're able to match energy to an event, it just makes it so much easier and so much fun because you're able to decide on what to wear based on the energy of that event. That's the question, like, is there a tone or a theme to this event? How do I feel about this outfit? Do I want to make a statement? Do I want to keep it low key? Like, those are questions that ask yourself when it comes to what is the vibe and energy. And you don't have to cosplay to match a vibe. You don't have to like be something that you're not. You just have to interpret it in your way. If you're going to baby shower to celebrate a baby girl, you hate the color pink, you don't have to wear pink if you don't want to, unless that's the theme. Like, you can absolutely wear white, or you can absolutely wear yellow. Like, you don't have to be phony when it comes to the outfit based on the event, but just thinking about what's the energy I want to have and what do I want to feel like when I go to this event. And obviously, honor your personal style. I know there are so many different trends going on right now, but you know what never goes out of style? Your personal style. Don't ditch your identity trying to match with everybody else. What is your personal style? What do you like to wear? What do you feel more comfortable wearing? What do you feel great in? For me, that is very, very important to me. If I don't feel comfortable with something, I'm probably not going to wear it. For example, I don't tend to feel comfortable in tube tops and strapless t-shirts, so I tend not to wear those. I don't feel most comfortable like that, so why would I wear something that I don't feel comfortable with? That's not my personal style. Also, for me, I love bright colors. I love the reds and the pinks and the yellows, so I tend to gravitate towards those colors. I don't really like the color gray. Like, me in the color gray, which goes back to knowing your best, most flattering shades, but gray is not the most flattering shade for me, so I tend not to wear. I don't feel my most vibrant self. So knowing your personal style is going to allow you to figure out what to wear to your event and your occasion, because you can base on what you enjoy, what you feel your best at, even if it's something that you don't like. Like, let's say you hate wearing formal clothes, like you hate wearing dresses and gala dresses and gowns and all that stuff, and you're going to a wedding or something. Like, even if you don't feel your best wearing formal clothes, you can kind of make it your personal style. For example, if you don't feel your best wearing formal clothes, but you love wearing black, maybe you can wear a formal dress that's black. So it's not 100% your style, but it still makes you feel your best because it's a color that you enjoy. So asking yourself, what pieces make me feel the most confident? Am I dressing for me or to impress other people? And then most importantly, do I feel like my best self wearing this? It's a very important question to ask yourself. Do you feel like your best self when wearing the article of clothing? And if you do feel like, you know what, I need to buy some clothes, what's your budget? It's also going to help you determine what to wear if you have a budget. And I know we all like to add 12 things to our cart, but being realistic, like, what can you afford for this event? Ask yourself, do you really need something new, or can you remix your current outfits to make a new outfit? Because style doesn't mean you have to spend big. You can look luxury on a little or small budget. So another way to kind of find your personal style and find what you want to wear, just based on your budget. If you're going to go out and buy some new clothes, maybe you have some jeans, some high-waist trousers that'll look great for this event. You can go out and you can get you a really cute powder and button-up blouse. Or maybe, you know, you have a really nice dress, but it feels kind of blah. You can wear some cheetah print heels or a really cute necklace. You can accessorize it. So that's another way that you can really create a new look with your current clothes, is just by accessorizing. Can you accessorize it and make it feel like what it needs to look like? Let's say you're going to a country concert and you're wearing a dress. A great way that you can make it look more country is you can add cowboy boots to your dress, or a cowboy hat. Or let's say you're going somewhere really sophisticated and you're wearing a jumpsuit. You can wear a fedora hat. You can wear a really cute, elegant necklace. You can wear a really chic bag. So accessories are another way that you can completely change the look of an outfit. And then obviously get inspired. I'm a big advocate of going on Pinterest, cruising on Instagram, cruising on TikTok, just getting some ideas of different outfits that you like. I know for me, I was going to an event and I really wanted to wear my high-waisted wide leg pants, but I was like, you know what, like, how are some ways I can like transform these high-waisted pants? And I just went on Pinterest and just started looking at the way other people were styling their high-waisted trousers, and it allowed me to get some ideas and get inspired and find some new ways to wear these pants and get some new looks out of it. So absolutely go on Pinterest, go on, BreonnaQueen.com, look at my blog. Definitely get inspired and look at inspo pics and videos to help you determine what you want to wear. And when you're looking on Pinterest and when you're looking on TikTok and YouTube and all these things, ask yourself, what kind of outfits catch my eye? Do I already own these pieces, and how can I restyle them? And then can I bring accessories to bring this look to life? And how can I remix this outfit so that it flatters me and my body shape more? And if you're unsure what your body shape is or how to dress your body shape, I do have a guide called Discover Your Body Type, and it helps you find the best silhouettes, cuts, and shapes based on your body shape. Because personally, I don't think there's any bad body shape. Whether you are apple shape, pear shape, inverted triangle shape, rectangle shape. There are no bad body shapes. And when you know how to dress your body, fashion becomes so much easier and dressing becomes so much easier because you already know what looks on you. Already know what cuts and silhouettes are going to flatter you the best. And it's going to make shopping your closet, as well as shopping at the mall and on Amazon and all those places, is going to make shopping just so much easier and dressing your body more easier. Now, we talked about ways to decide on what to wear to your next special occasion, a special event, but I did not touch on perfume. Let me tell you, your perfume is like the secret weapon. It's the chef's kiss. Like, people will remember how you smelled, and if you walk past them and you smell amazing, you're gonna get tons of compliments, and they are not gonna forget how amazing you smelled when you walked past. So when it comes to deciding what perfume to wear and how to get that perfume to last, like I'm talking about that perfume is staying on you all day, I have some tricks and tips for you. And in my next video, I'm sharing how to get your perfume and smell great all day. So go ahead and check out that video next.